Welcome to PS English Medium School. Students and parents, this academic year, in this pandemic situation, we are introducing a new app for learning, that is Teachment app. This video is specially created to teach you how to use this app. Your teacher will share the link of each subject group. You just have to click on the blue link given in the message. Okay, then your Play Store will open and then you can click on the install. Here a Teachment app you have to install, and this will require only 10.45 MB of your mobile space, so it's not that much of heavy space required. Okay, so it will work fine in your mobile phone. Then once you install this app, follow the instructions given in this app. Once it's installed, you just have to click on open, then select the language English, then continue, and then here you have to give the mobile number which is there in your mobile phone. Okay, because you have to give the OTP for signing in. Okay, so type the number which you know and which is there in your mobile phone. A wrong number will not be able to log in. Okay, so you have to give the correct number so that they can verify your mobile number with the OTP, that is one-time password. Okay, so just type the, once you will receive the OTP, you just have to type that OTP. Okay, like this, then click on the continue. Here you can see 8th rows approved pending. It means your teacher yet not accepted. Okay, so once your teacher accepts, you can see here the bell icon at the right corner. Yes, you can see the red color symbol also. You just have to click there and you can see here your teacher accepted notification will arrive. Okay, once your teacher will accept, you can join your class. See here, just click on 8th rows, then you will see the remaining options. Click on the 8th rows, your classroom. Once you open 8th rows class, you can see summary, then recordings, test, students, chat, notice board, assignments and study material. Now we will see each tab and the details. First, summary. Here you can see the attendance. Once you join in live, the attendance will be given automatically by your app. Then a timetable will be given by your teacher. Then about teacher and about classroom, that information will be given by teacher. Next is recordings. Here in these sections, the recordings means whenever a teacher will conduct any live lectures like meetings, those recordings will be listed here. So if by any chance you will not able to attend that lectures, you can view those lectures here with the help of recordings. Next, test. In this section, suppose your teacher want to conduct a test. Your teacher can post a test. Not only the test, here a teacher can announce when your test will be conducted, at what time. Everything will be listed here. And then once the test is started, you have to upload your answer sheet with the help of taking pics and then upload it, of course. Then next, student. In this section you can see the enrolled students. Then next, chat. Here you can ask the question to your teacher like what is the date of next test. Any question which you want to ask about your subject, any doubts, you can ask here. You just have to type and then press the enter key. Then that question will be posted on your chat group where a teacher will see and then can answer. Next is notice board. This notice board is used to give the announcement or any notice by the teacher. Okay. Then the next is assignment. This tab is used to assign assignments to you, where teacher will give the assignments and then you can complete that assignment by uploading your photos of your assignments. Teacher can also give the marks to your assignment. Next is study material. Here YouTube videos, images and documents. 3 options are there. See, if teacher feels that teacher want to share some more information about a particular topic, then teacher can add the YouTube links for your extra information or the images or the documents. Okay, so that thing will be added in the study material. Okay, now let's move to the most important point, that is joining your live classes. And how to do that? You have to click on join live. Where you can find it, you have to click on the summary. You can see here join live, red button, right? Click on that. Then here your app will ask the permission. You just have to click on allow. Then here you can see the screen. Okay, leave option is there. If you want to leave that particular session, you can click on the leave, and that message option is there. If you want to give any message in the live classes, you can give, or else on the downside you can see the mic and the video option. If you want to ask any question, you have to click on that mic option and then say your question. Your teacher will hear your question and answer it. Okay, once you set your application, you just have to join other subject groups like English, Math, Science. All the different subjects have a different group. You don't need to install one more time. Already you have installed your app. You just have to join that group with the help of these links. Once you click the link, again you will be diverted to that your Teachment app. Okay, so once teacher sees your request, teacher accept your request, and then you will join that particular group. For example, if the group is related to your Marathi, then a Marathi class link will be sent to you in WhatsApp. You just have to open, and then the request will be sent to your teacher. Your teacher will accept, then you can join it easily. And again, whatever the timetable is given to you, you have to follow the instructions. If you face any problem, you can ask these questions in the group. Till then, take care.